Before we have our Game 2 finals, we will be having our awarding po na Certificate of Participation, Special Awards, Mythical Selection, and ating Rookie and Season MVP. So later na lang po, Black Team, mamaya na po tayo dyan mag-warm up. Bibigyan po kayo ng oras dyan. Okay, tinatawagan po natin dito sa gitna, Commissioner June, Deputy Commissioner, Consicap Joel Tibayan, para po sa ating awarding ceremony. Okay. So first po, ang ating Certificate of Participation. So we are deeply thankful for this following participants for actively participating for their undying support in the Season 10 of Tagaytay City Basketball Club of Quarentas 50th edition with the tagline, #Dekada50. Okay, given the 6th day of November 2025 at Tagaytay Montessori School, Barangay Patutong, Malaki South, Tagaytay City, Cavite, Philippines, signed by our Commissioner June Marasigan, our TCBCOK Advisor Consicap Joel Tibayan, and our City Councilor, Honorable Reynoso Espiritu. Okay? Our Certificate of Participation is awarded to Pink Crushers. Team Pink Crushers po, representative, si Bossing. Alright. Congratulations. Ay, mga pink po natin. Let's go. Nasaan yung pink team natin? Sir Gilbert. Yung mga, yan. Okay pa. Kasama si Arky. Kulelat daw, kulelat. Alright, congratulations to our team, Pink Crushers. And thank you so much for your support. Another one is the White MJS Steel Trading. Is there any representative? Ay, si Tito Bobot. Ayan, Tito Bobot. Salamat po ng maraming sa inyong partisipasyon. Kahit kakaunti ang players. Ayan. Also, we have Team Blue Intensity 8. Ayan. Blue Intensity 8 po natin. Blue Team. Blue Team, let's go. Oh, lahat po ng Blue Team natin. Para mapipicture kayo. Ayan. Double time po tayo. Double time. Marami-rami pa po itong award. Ayan, get ready na rin po ang ating Red Capepuneros. Ayan. Red Capepuneros, dito na po kayo sa kabilang side para, Red Capepuneros, let's go. Ayan. Okay, Red Capepuneros. Ang ating kakatapos lang na game, napakagandang laban. Grabe. Thank you, Red Capepuneros. Ayun. Picture po, picture. Also, the Green 3JM Cityscape Trading. Okay, Green Team po, let's go. Ayan. Green Team, thank you so much for your participation. Okay, Green Team! Ayan. Thank you so much, Green Team. Lahat po ng Green Team, sama po. Lahat po, lahat. And lastly po, pila na po kayo dito, ang ating... Nasaan po? Tito Boy, hindi kayo sumama. Ang ating Team Black Panther! Ayan, with their third, po ito? Third consecutive final appearance. Ayan, thank you so much, Black Team. Mamaya po, mapapanood ninyo ang traditional TikTok battle between green and black. And of course naman po, we have our special awards. Ito po ay yung mga taong behind the success of 50. First and foremost, pasalamatan po natin sa support and kanyang ayun po, contribution and support sa ating season 10 ng 50 at 40. Our Tagaytay City Mayor, Honorable Isaac Brent Tolentino. Palakpakan natin si Mayor. He's not here, pero yan. Ayan, thank you, Mayor. Ayan, ito po. Sabay-sabay na natin silang awardan naman ang ating committee team. Ang head of the technical committee team, wala siya dito, pero siya ang head ng ating Facebook and YouTube live video coverage, si Chester Marasigan. Ayan, lahat na lang po to. Tapos po ang ating scorekeeper and statistical record committee, Brian Cassie. Our technical committee, DJ and sound system coordinator, Zam Marasigan. Our timekeeper po, wala lang din siya dito ngayon, Kuya Conrad Panghulan. Paki-receive na lang po, paki-receive. Ayan. Also, our Facebook and YouTube live coordinator, Lyra Marasigan. Wala rin siya dito ngayon, pero siya yung commentator, pumalit sa akin. Commentator, side court reporter, and official videographer, Kervin Marasigan. Ito pa, official videographer natin ngayon. Ngayon, photographer, Jonald Marasigan. And our official videographer, napakahirap ng trabaho nito, John Michael Marasigan, JM Marasigan. And ako po, nandito na, kasama na ako dito. Teka, and Clarice. Ayan po ang mga tao sa likod ng success ng ating Facebook Live and YouTube Live. And sa magandang coverage natin. Okay. Also naman ang ating Sungay West Barangay Captain, kung saan nag-opening po tayo. Honorable Joel Villanueva. Ayan. Thank you so much po, Cap Joel. Pa-receive na lang po si kay Cap Joel. Yan, wala po siya ngayon dito. Pero dyan po tayo nag-opening ng ating opening ceremony. And of course naman, we are privileged also to have our accommodation here at TMS, Tagaytay Montessori School. Pasalamatan naman natin Architect Neil Para and Ma'am Jerby Para. Yay! Thank you so much, Arky and Ma'am Jerby, para po dito sa ating venue. Alright, and also we have our official sounds and light system, Z-Mobile by Mr. Carlito Marasigan. Tito Lights! Tito Lights! Z-Mobile. Z-Mobile mo yun. Ayan. Opo. And of course, our official officiating team since season 1, we have our arbiter of Southern Tagalog Association Referees, or A-Star, headed by Sir Romy Misahon. Pa-receive na lang po mga sir. Ayan, thank you so much. Alright, of course, the technical committee of 50. Ito po ay mga tao sa 40, pero tumutulong sila dito. We have Mr. Sherwin Cruzada, Mr. Elvis Vicaraan, and our Hall of Honor, our Deputy Commissioner, Coach Perry De Los Santos. Last 3 na sa special awards natin. Last 3. Ayan, thank you. Si Commissioner June, tinatanggal niya yung kanyang award pag ako'y ginagawan ko siya. Tinatanggal po niya yung certificate niya. Ginagawan ko po siya dito, tinatanggal. Alright, eto Sportsmanship Award. Sino kaya to? Sino to? Ayun, nakakaway-kaway yung red team. Red team daw to sa Sportsmanship Award. Of course, ito po, upon review, wala silang technical from the first game up to the last game. We have two, the white team and the pink team. Congratulations po, bossing. Ayan, receive nyo. Kuya Sherwin, nandiyan na po yung fourth runner-up po. Paano na? Okay. And ito, every season, ina-awardan natin to. The eldest active player. Okay, sino kaya ang pinakamatanda this season? Pero active. Our eldest active player is from the Black Team number 5, Daddy Nelson Nel Di Mabilis! Wow! At yun na nakasakit kina Consica last game. Nakasakit. Alright, congratulations. Now po, let's first award our third runner-up. Okay, so katatapos lang po ngayon. Our third runner-up will receive certificate and trophy. Ayan, third runner-up goes to Blue Intensity 8. Let's go, Blue Intensity 8. Lahat po ng Blue Intensity 8, come on. Congratulations. Napakagandang laban. Nag-overtime pa. Congratulations po. And of course, our second runner-up, our third placer, we have the Red Capepuneros. Congratulations to Red Team. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Sila lang naman yung yung waiting sa semis. Yung blue at red team. Waiting sa semis. Parehong waiting sa semis. Alright, at this moment po, we will be awarding our second mythical selection. They will receive medals. Okay, medal and certificate. So upon reviewing po ng statistical record nila, pasalamatan muna natin si paring Brian kasi grabe yung niya, yung tiyaga sa statistical record. Yun doon lang nag-base si Commissioner Jun na padali ang kanyang pag-encode ng mga statistics. Thank you, paring Brian. Napaka-tiyaga. Pag wala yung statistical record niya, mahihirapan. Nire-review pa ni Commissioner Jun sa live. Okay, our second mythical selection, meron tayong 5. Second mythical selection from the Pink Team number 4, Christopher Bossing Juan. Grabe din ang statistics nito, guys. As in. Alright, huwag ka muna aalis dyan, ha? Alright, next in line naman po, second mythical selection from the Red Team. Tito Jun, number 1 to sa scoring, no? From the Red Team. Ay, hindi po ba? Number 3. Okay. Number 17, Gregorio Eric Lanting. Sorry po, napag-utusan lang po. Nasaan si Tito Eric? Nawala. Okay, let's proceed. Pa-receive na lang po. Pa-receive na lang yung kay Tito Eric na... Ayan. Coach. Also, part of the second mythical selection from the green team. From the green team, number 11, Alan Vigal. Alright. Ayun pala si Tito Eric. Ayun po si Tito Eric. Ayan. Grabe. Kung makikita nyo lang yung statistical record ng mga to, parang hindi 40s. Ay, 50s na pala. Okay, another one from the green team again. Number 36, Consi Venancio Benji Sardiniola. Sorry po sa mga real name nyo, ha? Alright. And last po, for our second mythical selection, hinuli ko talaga to. Pero, grabe din ang statistics nito. From the red team, baka daw magbabait na. Number 28, Lolo Max Marasigan! Pasok pa rin ang statistical record mo. Alright! Congratulations po sa ating Mythical 5 selection. Consi Bencher Dino, Tito Eric Lanting, Bossing Chris Juan, Tito Alan Vigal, and Lolo Max Marasigan. Ayan, picture sila lang 5. Diyan na, picture. Alright, congratulations to our second Mythical selection. Now we have our first Mythical selection. Our first awardee for this one, dalawang division siya po ang top 1. Assist and basta dalawang division and almost lahat ng division pasok siya sa top 5. Number from the blue team, number 57, Arman Guardania. Grabe yung statistics ni Kuya Amen. Alright, next one from the... Ito guys, talagang ang taas din ang statistics nito, kaya kahit po hindi pasok yung team nila sa top 4, ay hindi, nasa first mythical selection siya. From the white team, sino pa ba? Number 17, Reynaldo Bobot Hernandez! Grabe yun! Grabe! Reynaldo pala kayo, Tito Bobot, ha? Congratulations! Kaya nung tinignan yung statistical record, grabe. Next in line, first mythical selection from the, of course, kung tayo sa ating finalist from the black team, number Number 3, Victoriano John Vic Mendoza. Mr. Bebe Boy. Ang ganda rin. Ito pala ang number 1 sa scoring. Number 1 sa scoring, si Kuya Itoy. And of course, another one from the black team. Ito malupit din. Our first mythical selection from the black team, number 19, Inocencio June Gabak Jr. Kahit bangas na, ay lalaro pa talaga. For the team. Congrats po. Alright. Okay, picture pa, picture. And lastly naman from the green team. Ganda rin ang statistics nito. Number 1 sa block. Oh, number 1 siya sa block. Number 63, Commander Lutgardo Lot Mendoza. Number 1 sa block. Alright, congratulations. Picture po, sila lang 5. Wag na muna po kayo aalis. Dahil, dyan muna po kayo. Ay, Kuya Amen, wag muna kayo aalis. Kasi sa inyo na rin kukunin yung season MVP. Pero unahin muna natin ang ating Rookie of the Season. Rookie to receive a trophy and our certificate. Sino ba ang rookie? Kasi may mga ano dyan, ang mga candidate dyan si Cap Eric, si Kuya Amen, si Kuya Junjun Guadania, at sila ang mga ano. Pero ang ating Rookie of the Season, we have from the blue team, number 57, Arman Guadania! Magaling talaga. Okay, huwag na rin po kayo aalis. Huwag na muna po aalis dahil ito na po, i-award naman natin ang ating season MVP. Naalala niyo po last season si Bossing ay rookie tapos season MVP. Will history repeat itself tonight? Ganon din ba ang mangyayari? Or we have another season MVP? Our season MVP for the season 10 of Tagaytay City Basketball Club of 40-50 edition. Hashtag Dekada 50. Hashtag Pusong 40 sa Tagaytay. Goes to number, hindi ko na sabihin yung team kasi malalaman nyo. Number 57, Arman Guadania! Grabe, si Kuya Amen. Deserve. Bossing, burado na agad yung history mo, Bossing. Napalitan na agad. Congratulations po sa lahat ng awardees natin. Alright. Nice one. And ayan, mamaya naman tayo ulit. Mag-aano muna tayo. Set up lang yung timer natin. Ay. Jonald. Ayan, mabisyo na. Season MVP and Rookie of the Season. Wow. Just wow. Congratulations po, Kuya Arman, Kuya Amen. Okay, after this po, finals, game 2 na tayo, plus TikTok battle.
Damn.